You know, we got this place to retire and call it good. Well, life throws curveballs at you sometimes, and the minute you say you're done, you've done everything you needed to, and it starts all over again. It's just saddening. I mean, look at this. What do you do even with this? What do you? It's not like you can chop it into pieces and send it to the garbage. It's gonna take years to recover, quite frankly. We'll see. I thought there could be something salvageable, but look at the tree. Jesus, they cut some of these. This is total devastation. The mobile home was about 6 feet in the air. It's on the ground. Whatever is left of it. Those blocks, that's what the mobile home was on top of, and there's nothing. It just flipped them off. This guy is in the center of it, and literally cut it through, bent the entire frame. This guy is so massive. It bent the I-beam. Look at that. How? So this is what it looks like from the other side. I thought maybe, right, maybe salvageable, but this is, look at the size of that thing. And that would have broke. Comes right down. That was my swing that I made my video about Serenity, and this is what Serenity looks like now. So this is the guy that went through it, roots and all, and that looks pretty massive. Thank God we weren't in it. I'm gonna try to get to the bedroom. And look at that. I see the neighbors through the house. The floor is all bent. The toilet, no more. It's off the ground, literally. Oh yeah, there's that guy. There's there another tree. This is the bedroom. The ceiling is odd. Complete destruction. Everything. Everything. So the inside, the tree cut through right in the middle, and it's still laying there. And they cut the house in half. So what makes this so heart-wrenching? The most difficult part to deal with this is you trying to stop asking why. What did I do to deserve this, right? That the mentality is difficult. Thank God I got so much love and support from you guys. Thank you for the entire Castaway crew. Naeem, thank you for your kindness. Heather, Kate called me. Believe it or not, I actually have a great relationship with Kate. You know, God doesn't give you something you can't deal with, so we will deal with this. It'll take time, buttload of resources. Doesn't mean it ain't gonna hurt like hell, but God will help.